What is considered a short work term? The answer might surprise you. In the context of employment, a short work term usually refers to being in a position for less than 2 years. This perspective comes from various surveys and opinions from U.S. recruiters who generally prefer a longer tenure. The reason behind this preference? Recruiters and hiring managers are often hesitant to invest time in someone who might quickly leave the company. Now that we know what a short work term is and why it can be a problem, let's look at how we can address this perception. Addressing the perception of short work experience starts with how you present this experience on your resume and during interviews. Consider marking short work terms as contract positions, showing clear boundaries and expectations. If it was one of your first jobs after university, label it as an internship. This can soften the perception of short tenure. Mention factors like relocation if they affected your employment duration. This demonstrates adaptability, a highly valued trait. Emphasize stability and commitment in your career pitch. This allows you to showcase your dedication and loyalty. Offering references from supervisors or colleagues from these jobs can also provide assurance of your performance and reliability. Lastly, prepare case studies and star stories. With each short-term project, demonstrate how it prepared you for the role at the company you're interviewing with. Remember, every experience, short or long, contributes to your professional growth. These tips will help you turn a perceived shortcoming into a strength. Let's quickly recap the important points we've discussed. A short work term is typically less than 2 years and can be seen as a red flag by recruiters who prefer stability. However, you can address this perception by marking short terms as contract positions or internships, explaining any relocations, emphasizing stability in your personal pitch, providing references, and preparing case studies or star stories. Remember, every experience is valuable and can contribute to your long-lasting career. It's all about how you present it. Good luck on your job search. Discover Move2USAJobs.com. Moving on, let's talk about a fantastic resource that can aid your job search for U.S. jobs as an international candidate. This platform is specifically designed to assist job seekers like you. It offers a vast range of job listings from various industries, making it easier for you to find a position in the USA. What makes Move2USAJobs.com unique is its user-friendly interface and tailored services to find you a sponsoring employer. Plus, the platform also offers resources to help you craft an impressive resume and ace your job interviews. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive job search platform that can help you overcome the perception of short work experience, consider Move2USAJobs.com. Start your job search with Move2USAJobs.com today and move one step closer to landing your dream job in the USA.